Hi everyone, today we're making a reflector and a reflector stand for your food photography. So print out the template and let's get started. So I have one that's already printed out and you're going to cut along it. After you cut it out, you're going to paste it on the reflector like I've done here earlier. So, and then you're just going to cut out the black part of it. And I'm going to cut out on this side as well. So the template on this side, use a sticky tape to secure it. This is your reflector. Now we're doing the stand, which I've done it just now. So same thing, cut out the black part of it. There you have it. So next, how does it work? So you just stick the groove to groove. It's a bit rough, but and there you have it, your reflector stand. And the stand has two parts. One is angle, so you can try the angle ones. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to my channel because there are lots more amazing videos coming up.